Let us see complete REPL in Node.js. So here inside REPL, R stands for read, E stands for evaluate, P stands for print, and L stands for loop. So what this will do, it is just going to read user's input and then it is going to parse the input into JavaScript data structure and then it will be storing inside memory. And after that, it is just going to take that data and evaluates that data structure. And then it is going to print the result. And then it is just going to loop the above commands until user presses Ctrl C twice. So you can simply read as Node REPL reads JavaScript code that the user enters and then evaluates the result by interpreting the line of code, and then it is going to print the result to the user and loops until the user signals to quit by pressing Ctrl C. And this feature of Node is very useful in experimenting with Node.js code and also to debug JavaScript code. And inside this REPL, we can write any JavaScript code. We can perform all these things. We can write code related to JavaScript expression. We can use variables. We can write multi-line code, and also we can use underscore to get the last result. And also we can enter into editor mode. So one by one, practically we will understand all this concept. I have opened my folder Node tutorial. Here I am just going to do Control J. How we are going to enter into REPL mode? We simply have to type Node. So first we will see how to write JavaScript expression. Here I will write 5 plus 0, hit enter, I will have the result 5. I will write 5 plus 1, hit enter, I am getting the result 6. I will write 2 plus 3, I will get the result 5. So easily inside this REPL, we are able to write JavaScript expression. An expression is nothing but after evaluating which will be generating final result. Second, we are going to use JavaScript variables. Here I will write let. I will create the variable my name. I will give the value as Khanam. I will hit enter. Now simply I just want to display the name. As soon as I hit enter, I am able to access the value from variable. So inside this, we can also create variable. We can assign the values and we can print the data. So here basically it is reading the data which user has given, and after that it is evaluating, and finally it is just printing the data. And inside this we can also write multi-line code. So here I will be writing function. I will give the function name as greet. Inside this I will be passing one parameter my name. Open this curly braces. I will hit enter. Now you can see here I am having three dots. So what it is doing? Our Node.js is going to wait for us to complete this command. Now here I will write console.log. Inside this I simply want to display this my name. Again I will hit enter. Again it is waiting for us to complete this command. I will close. As soon as I hit enter, and now it will understand this function is completed, and now it is not going to wait for the code. So you can see inside REPL we can write multi-line comments. So if the command is incomplete, it is going to wait. If entire thing is completed, simply it will just finish that command. Now I can call the function. I will write greet. Again I will be writing my name Khanam. Hit enter. Now Khanam will be displayed. And fourth thing, using underscore to get the last result. Here I will be writing 4 plus 5. Hit enter. For this I got the result 9. Now this 9 I want to add with 2. So here I can use underscore. You can see as soon as I wrote underscore, here I am having the preview, that is 9. I will write plus, then I will be giving 2. As soon as I hit enter, I got the result as 11. So this underscore is used to get the last result. Again, I will be writing underscore. Now I will be having 11. I will write 19. Now my result is 30. I will just exit from REPL. You just have to press Ctrl C twice. You can see this is what looping. Unless and until we don't press Ctrl C twice, we will not come outside of REPL mode. We are also having other options. We can write dot exit. You can see again we are coming outside of this REPL mode. Now, once if I enter Control C, again I am inside this REPL mode. Here they are telling we can press Control C again, or we can do Control D, or we can type this exit. Now I will just enter Control D. Again I will come outside of this REPL mode. Now let me show you how to come inside editor mode. We simply have to type dot editor, hit enter. Now I am inside editor mode. Inside this, I can write any valid JavaScript code. Here I will write const. I will write subject is equal to, I will give the parameter as subject name. I will be using arrow function. Inside this, I will write console.log. I will close this curly braces. I can also use template literal, and here I will write my favorite subject is. And inside this, I will simply pass this subname. I will come down. I will write subject. Inside this, I will be passing maths. As soon as I hit enter, nothing happens because here they have given command Control D to finish this, Control C to cancel this. I don't want to cancel. I only want to finish. So here I will enter Control D. As soon as I press Control D, I got the result. My favorite subject is maths. And also I am outside of this editor mode. If you want to know some helpful commands, you can write dot help, hit enter. You will be having some commands. You can see here we are having dot editor, which will be entering into this mode. We are having exit. Using this, we are entering into REPL mode. And using this help, we are just going to print this help message. And if you don't remember any command, simply write dot help and get these commands. Now here, 2 times if you enter tab, you will have all the functions, all the methods which are available in Node.js. You can see we are having crypto which is not present in JavaScript. We are having lot of things, and also we are having many things which are already available in JavaScript. We have number, we have map, we have object, because Node.js is also JavaScript. So whatever we are using in JavaScript, all this will be available. But things like Windows, it will not be available because in Node.js, we are not having access to web APIs. So we will not have access to Windows object. We have access to files as well, which we are not having access in JavaScript. Just explore this. You don't have to remember entire thing. Just explore and just have a glance what properties and what methods we are having in Node.js. I will just come outside dot exit. Easily we can come outside of the REPL.